Start recording.
Hi guys, I'm not live tonight. So very big disaster I experienced yesterday. I feel I died that time. I said, oh no, don't, please, because very very strong uh, earthquake, guys. I feel my place is house is broke because of that. A lot of personal things here damage. Plate, something go in the floor. Window. But I'm glad my wall is my wall still damaged, but not broke, still like a crack like that. But I'm glad still standing now, because I don't know if my house is broke. I'm in a shelter, so very hard. And I thankful because until now I save, Even so very hard for me now. I can cook. I always use electricity. Yes, start yesterday, 7:30. You saw host people so in my life yesterday morning, guys. I buy pandesal and I sitting with my audience, and then I shock why shaky, and then after that very very strong shaky, and that a lot building here is bar down, a lot people die. Yeah, I'm so very lucky because even not electricity here so very hard, but I still very lucky, guys. But don't worry, guys, I'm still safe. But for me now so very hard every day for me, because not electricity here. I can cook rice very hard. Yeah, not electricity, Wi-Fi and water. Since yesterday, guys, I'm not take a bath. I feel very very hot. I take a bath. I put the alcohol always in my body to for comfort. Yeah, look here, very dark. Very very dark, guys.